Hey guys, my name is Jill Abanico. I'm a beauty, fashion and portrait photographer, and in this video I will teach you how to take self-portraits and how you can get your way around it if you only have a smartphone and not a professional camera. And as a result, you will be understanding light and posing as a beginner and how you can improve your self-portraits at home. To get started, you will obviously need a camera. Anything you have at hand is the best camera. Remember, the photographer shoots the photos, not the camera. Secondly, you will need a tripod as you will be taking the portraits by yourself, obviously. And believe me, you can make anything into a tripod, even for your smartphone. Be it a corner, a vase, pillows, a selfie stick, a chair, a piece of cheese, or you can even tape your smartphone on the wall or the ceiling. Thirdly, let's talk about light. There is no bad lighting. It's all in your taste and how you understand light and how you can work your way around it so that it can work for your picture. To give you a jump start to understand light, I will explain to you 3 different light situations during a sunny day. In this shot, my face is lit by harsh, direct sunlight during noon hour. You can tell this obviously by my wacky look, but have a close look on the shadows under my chin and my nose. The lines of the shadows are very hard and dark. Depending on how your face is shaped, those shadows often don't really look very flattering, so tilt your head up if you would like to shoot in harsh light anyway to reduce the shadows. Here is an example for natural soft daylight. My face is evenly lit and the shadows all over my face are very soft. So if you want to shoot in your garden or balcony on a sunny day, try to find a spot in the shadows. And finally, this is an example for soft natural window light. And for those of you who are starting with a smartphone, this is also the type of light I recommend because it's very easy to work with. And finally, when you're all set up, it's time to get into posing. For the beginning, you could start at an eye-level camera angle because it's easier to work from there. Maybe you already know your personal favorite angles from taking selfies, but there's also a technique called the rule of nines, where you can find your sweet spots for your headshots. It's all about the little movements and adjustments you can do with your head position. Tilt your head into all the corners and levels from left to right and top to bottom and take a picture of every 9 head positions. Depending on your facial features and your face shape, some positions might work better than others. Another rule to remember for aesthetic portraits is to improve your posture by straightening up your upper body, pull your shoulders backwards and relax. Remember to elongate your neck by stretching your chin a little to the front and down to avoid that disliked double chin we all know too well. Now moving on to full body shots, and for this video I have some timeless standing poses for your feminine posing. As I told you already, a good straight posture looks more aesthetic than slouching like a potato sack. Start with a base pose by planting your feet in the ground and rock your hips to the side until you find the side you are more comfortable in. Then show some body shape by putting a little more space between your elbows and your body and push your chin forward and down again. Creating an S-curve with your body is likely to make your poses look more feminine. And for the hands, when placing your hands on your body, try to relax your fingers and place them gently on your side. When you tuck your arm behind your back, it complements the curves of your body rather than adding some more visual weight to it. Take your time when you take these pictures, compare one to another and find out the position that suits your body shape best. Here's another tip. You can take your leg out and raise your heel to make your booty pop a little more and put even more curve into your body shape. Also, crossing your arms in front of your chest is adding more weight, so if you do prefer to look more slimmer, avoid that pose or turn to the side to create a long line with your arm. And the last tip I have for you is avoid foreshortening. It's the way your arms or legs look shorter or bulkier when you point the joints directly to the camera. For example, when I take my arm up and point my elbow directly to the camera, it doesn't look very flattering. Just put it to the side so you can show the lines and also create S-curves and curves in general for the picture. And now 3 feminine standing poses for you to try out. Captain Marvel, the classic heel pose, I got a hickey. So now it's up to you. You have my quick guideline. I would love to see your pictures and also include you in my Instagram account. Follow and tag me there and send me your pictures and use the hashtag #InLoveWithTheLight@home so I can see them. And also don't be afraid to show me some behind the scenes, because I'm always interested in how other people's are getting to their results. And if you would like to get some more inspiration on self-portraits, I am starting a stay home self-portrait series with my next video. So if you don't want to suffer from FOMO, subscribe to my channel, like this video because it helps me a lot, and comment below how you liked my ever first video on this channel. I am looking forward to read your comments. And that's it. That's a wrap. Stay safe, shoot safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.